It is a beautiful day today. Hello everyone. If you're new to my channel, my name is Trina and I garden in Zone 10. Today I'm just going to do a little tour. I'm going to water my plants and do a little small maintenance cleanup. And also I added a new cover to one of my garden beds. If you like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. So I thought this was dead, so I moved it over here and it came back to life. It is so pretty. So this cauliflower is from Botanical Interest. It's called the Twister. I have my baby spinach. Bought a couple of beds from the Cyber Monday sale. I got some great deals on Amazon. So the onions are looking great. Did a little harvesting and now I have some room for my other plants to grow, to get sun and also air. Have another cauliflower over here. My second cauliflower. Planted this one after I did the other one. And my yellow beet, our golden beet, and then a red beet's right there. I have another one back here in this forest. My celery, it's looking good. Purple cabbage in the back. Couple of broccolis. And my garlic has been growing since October. It's now December the 26th. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.